How to create an easy DIY game around the holidays or anytime. First, you're going to get a cardboard poster board. Next, you're going to get some cups, plastic cups, and you can line them up in a pyramid or you can just scatter them on the board. Next, you're going to secure the cups using tape or hot glue gun. Then you're going to decide what you're going to put in them, whether it be treats, whether you're going to use objects. This is from our Christmas lesson. You can use objects if you're teaching something, or you could either draw pictures or words and put them inside of the cup. Next, you're going to get some tissue paper and you're going to cut it into squares, and you're going to use rubber bands to put around the tissue paper to secure it around the cup. And so here's the game we created, which is called Can You Decode It? And I put messages, illustrations inside, and children will, once they hit the cup, they will pull out the message and try to decode it. And this is for children's ministry, so we have a scripture here, and they're going to try to match it with the appropriate word. But you can turn this into a literacy game, a winter game. You can make it as however you want to. And then I have the scoreboard on the other side. So we have two groups and we'll keep score on who can decode it. So a power tip, when you're choosing objects for the children to throw into a cup, you can use unconventional things like pine cones, or you can use maybe a small block. Be careful with the larger blocks or even a ball. But again, be careful with the weight of like a tennis ball because you don't want to break something in the space that the children are playing in. But let me know in the comments, who are you planning this game for? And if you enjoyed today's content, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And if you enjoy getting tips, tools, and all things early childhood, go ahead and join the club for free. I'll make sure that I leave the link below. But let's finish this conversation in the comments.